In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove phone number in Yahoo Mail. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Yahoo account to delete a saved phone number safely and confidently. Start by opening your browser. In the address bar at the top, type yahoo.com and press enter. Make sure you're on the official Yahoo site before you sign in. You should see the secure lock icon and the correct domain. On the Yahoo homepage, look to the upper right and find the Sign In option. Click Sign In, then follow the on-screen prompts to log in. Depending on your settings, Yahoo may ask for your password, a verification code, or another confirmation step. If you currently use the phone number you plan to remove for verification, make sure you have an alternate way to get codes, such as a recovery email, before you start. This helps you avoid getting locked out later. Once you're signed in, look again to the upper right and click your profile icon. From the menu, select Manage Your Account. This opens your account settings where security and recovery details are managed for Yahoo Mail and other Yahoo services. In the account settings, go to the security section. If prompted, verify your identity again. This is normal when accessing sensitive settings. On the security page, find the phone numbers area. This is where Yahoo lists the recovery numbers linked to your account. Locate the phone number you want to remove and click the delete icon next to it. Yahoo will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to remove the number. Click Remove Phone Number to confirm. In some cases, Yahoo may ask for your password again or send a quick verification to ensure it's you making the change. After you confirm, the number will be removed from your account. This means it will no longer be used for sign-in verification or account recovery. If that was your only recovery method, it's a good idea to add a backup email or a different phone number so you can recover your account if needed. You can do that from the same security page. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Yahoo occasionally updates how these pages look, but the path is the same. Sign in, go to your profile, manage your account, open security, and then edit phone numbers to remove the one you no longer need. That's it. You've successfully removed a phone number from your Yahoo Mail account, keeping your settings clean and your recovery methods up to date.